So mates, this is the question number second that I have of the Toast Internship hackathon. So this is the question number second, and the question is, what is the output of the following oops code? And this is the Python code, and the answer of this question is Toyota has mileage of 15 kilometers. So this is the option 2 will be the answer. Okay, and let's go with the third question. So the third question is, what is the output of the following oops code? And this is also the Python code. And if you go with the solution, so the solution of this is the final 5 12 37 65 and 101 is the answer. And for the question number fourth, that is, suppose you conduct a two-side hypothesis test with a sample size of the 100. So this is the question, you can see in the screen, and the answer of this question is second, reject HO evidence is statistically significant. Okay, and for the question number fifth, a cone with the base radius 6 cm and height 8 cm. So this is the question. So the answer is fourth. And for the question number 6, consider the sequence 2 6 12 20 30 and 42. After that we will be having 56. And for this question, given as model M and data M, for this we have the answer 1, and so this is the correct one. And for the question number next 8, the question is, let x poisons lambda. So for this question we have the answer as 2. So the second option is the correct option answer. For the question number 9, we have the 5 statements, and in this the second statement is the true one. Second statement is the true statement. Okay, for the next question, 4 fair dice are rolled. For this question we have the answer as 56 196 as the answer. So we have the next question, consider a special clock. So this is this question, and this is the solution. Fourth number is 4 is the answer. And for the question number 12, that is, radioactive substance decayed according to the formula. So for this we have the answer second, 37.6892%. okay, and let's go with the coding questions. So we have this republic for this binary string, we have solved this question, and all the test cases are being passed, as you can see. Test case 2 is also passed, test case first will be also passed. Okay, for this test wait for 5, yeah, look at this has been also passed. So for the solution, this is the solution. Just look at the solution and write down this is the solution. And for the coding 13th question, this also passes the all the test cases. So let me show you the test case. Look at this also passes the all the test cases. So this is the solution, you can see. So we have solved all the questions. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe our channel.